If your head drawings feels flat or wrong, the problem is not detail, it's shape. I'm going to explain what a head study actually is, why understanding shape is foundation of the realistic portrait drawing. If you can control shapes, your heads will instantly feel solid and more believable. So let's understand what a head study is. A head study is not about finishing a portrait. It's about understanding structure, form, and proportions. We are studying the head as a three-dimensional object, not a face full of features. So let's start understanding more about shapes now. Observe the reference and try to add limited lines that suggest the overall big shapes of the head. Take idea of the proportions, start adding little structural details. Suggest the solid planes of the head. To know more about the structure, you can check out my video linked in the description. Features of the face are placed as simplified shapes. Then the large shadow shapes identified based on the direction of the light source. The big shadow shapes helps to separate the light planes and the darker planes. After this, add primary light and the shadow shapes. Keep in mind that light falling on the head is also a shape. After this, secondary shapes are introduced within larger forms to suggest the planes of the face. The artist continually compare the shapes, relationship, and accuracy in the drawing. Till the last stage, keep comparing the accuracy and relationship of the shapes. The final sketch emphasizes well-organized shapes to convey likeness and form efficiently. I'm giving you the exercises that can improve your shape design. Start this exercise by drawing any random shape. Make the shape scribbly and messy. Simplify the same shape into a simple and dynamic shape. Try to use as minimal lines as you can and keep the gestural quality of the shape alive. This exercise trains your senses to simplify the shapes and eliminating the unnecessary details. The next exercise is to draw a shape with 3 or 4 lines only. Try to draw lines with various lengths and try to make shapes that are visually appealing and dynamic. This exercise will train your senses to make visually appealing shapes with minimal lines, and your brain will automatically start turning the complex shapes into simplified dynamic shapes. Most artists rush into the details too early. Without clear shapes, details won't save your drawing. That's why portraits often look muddy and distorted. So try to have clarity in your shapes. Because the shape, plane and light have a connection, because the strong shape creates a clear plane. The clear planes allow the light to read correctly. While drawing, it is important to group values into readable shapes. If we will keep our shapes strong and clear, even a loose drawing will suggest the realism. If the shapes are weak, no amount of blending will fix it. So when you do head studies, don't ask that does it look finished. Always ask that are my shapes clear, or does my head look solid or structured. If this video helped you, consider subscribing my channel for more drawing lessons. Remember, draw shapes, not face.